Hop off the plane, foreign bitch, with my autograph. Brand new one, rider, I just put this motherfucker in the stash.
Hopping off the jet, more money to invest. I love to have fun, business never neglect. Niggas know it's the gang, they never disrespect. $250,000, I put that on my neck. Wanna come at my ride, you better come correct. My niggas down the slide, I put that on the set. No fucking up the vibes, good cush in the air. My hand is on her thighs, get money everywhere. Conduct myself like a player, niggas saying what I should do, but I don't give a fuck, I don't care. Talk it and be about it. A pound of kush, you won't see me without it. My weed is the loudest, and I put that on gang.
Never tryna sober up, pull up and they know it's us. That's how you know I be killing it. That's how you know I'm a realist in this bitch. Teach her how to roll it up, another shot, pull it up. She left you, now she feeling it. Tired of talking, we living it.
I get my weed from a dude that look just like me. Locks long, big crib for him and all of his seeds. Rolling trees in my car, spill some nugs on my seat. If you walk up in my closet, a lot of J's for my feet. Lot of Chucks too. Wanna kick it with a real nigga, so she come through. Her friends say she having fun too. I don't blame her, let them get as wild as she want. I don't tame her, you can smoke this J if you want. A lot of flavors, some good vibrations. My backyard feel like vacation. I put you on a first name basis. Don't get tied up, no laces, no lames over here, all gang shit.
Never tryna sober up, pull up and they don't it's us. That's how you know
we gon'
I be
keep
killing
smoking.
it.
Why y'all niggas
That's how you
joking?
know I'm a realist in this bitch.
What's wrong with y'all, man?
Roll it
It's 2021.
Another shot, pull it
Get your paper up.
She left you, now she feeling it.
Somebody
Tired of talking, we living it.
got a bottle coming filled with McQueen. If I'm in the club, you know that I'm VIP. Bunking up the couches, standing on the seats. Wizzle got wings, Wizzle got everything, everything.
Actually felt a little better right there in auto. So.
Yeah.
Definitely be kicking. Alright, what's up y'all? This is my 2016 Charger RT. Just got done with a car wash. Just gonna tell y'all what's done to it. It's pretty much just got no cats, just JBA mid pipes, and then no mufflers and resonators. It's got 20-inch wheels all the way around, 10-inch in the front, 11 in the back. It's pretty much all that's done to it right now. Stay tuned and there'll be more done, and y'all can see.